Good morning, children. Sairam. Welcome you all in today's EVS2 class. I hope you all have understood the lesson very well. Children, keep watching videos regularly. Okay? Each video you're supposed to watch 3-4 times. Then you will solve all the doubts. Yes? Now today we will discuss important points from the lesson. That means what we have learnt from the lesson. Living in a community means, what do you mean by living in a community, children? Yes, people like to live in the company of others. Okay, we like to live in the company of others. Living in the company of our family, neighbors and other people means living in a community. Okay, children, what do you mean by living in a community? Living in the company of our family, neighbors and other people means living in a community. I hope this is clear. Community life is interdependent. Yes, our community life is interdependent. We feel secure in the company of the companions. Yes, we feel secure in the company of our companions. That means our uh, neighbors, our relatives and our parents. No? Companions can be anyone. So we feel secure in the company of the companions. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life. Our daily needs are fulfilled in the community. Our daily needs are fulfilled in the community. Production of goods and services. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. I repeat, education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Education is everyone's right. Each child has to go to the school. And health facility also, if anyone falls sick, he has to go to the primary health care center. Okay. So education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Production of goods and services are necessary to satisfy our needs. Production of goods and services are necessary to satisfy our needs. Rules for living in community and importance of games. We have already discussed all these points. Okay. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Everybody has to follow certain restrictions, certain rules to for smooth running of community life. Okay. So rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. The rules bring discipline in community life. Okay. And if we start following the rules, then anyone can live peacefully. Okay. The rules of the game are the same for everybody. The rules of the game are the same for everybody and everyone has to follow the same rules while playing a game. Games imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity. Games imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity. Participation, determination and passion are most important in games than winning or losing. Participation is very important. Determination and passion are more important in games than winning or losing. Okay. So all these qualities are more important in games than winning or losing. Sports help us to stay healthy. Yes, because if we play games, we get good body exercise and that makes our body, muscles and bones strong and healthy. Okay, that means sports help us to stay healthy. Yes, so all these points we have already discussed in the lesson. So I hope everyone is clear with this. Now we'll begin with question answers. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the brackets. In a community, we get, just tell me, companions or relatives or friends. In a community, we get companions. Okay? In a community, we get companions. Come on, repeat after me. In a community, we get companions. In a community, we get companions. In a community, we get companions. Community life is interdependent or independent or self-sufficient? Yes, community life is interdependent. No? Because people are dependent on each other. No? So, community life is interdependent. Yes? Now repeat after me. Community life is interdependent. Community life is interdependent. Community life is interdependent. Yes, people are dependent on each other for their work. Okay. Dash are needed to build cooperation. Dash are needed to build cooperation. Rules or leaders or followers. Yes, rules are needed to build cooperation. No? Rules are needed to build cooperation. Very good. Now repeat after me. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Good. Education and dash facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Entertainment, communication or health. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Okay? Come on, repeat after me. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Production and dash are necessary to satisfy needs. Cooking, services or help of others. Yes, production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Very good. Okay, services is the right answer. Now repeat after me. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a village or community or group. Yes, community is the correct answer. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Very good. Okay, repeat. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Now we'll begin with true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Helping each other is called production. Is this statement true or false? False. Very good. No? Helping each other is called production is the false statement. Yes. Yeah. Then what is the correct statement? Helping each other is called cooperation. Okay. Very good. Helping each other is called cooperation. So, helping each other is called production is the false statement. Okay. The rules of the game are the same for everybody. The rules of the game are the same for everybody. Is this the statement true or false? This is the true statement. Okay. Answer is true. Now come on, repeat after me. The rules of the game are same for everybody. The rules of the game are same for everybody. The rules of the game are same for everybody. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Is this statement true or false? Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Yes, this statement is also a correct statement. Okay, true. Answer is true. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Now repeat after me. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Yes. Children, we have completed question answers such as fill in the blanks and true or false. In the next class, we will continue with answers in one sentence. Okay. So, till then keep revising and bye. Sai Ram. Take care of yourself.